Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're focusing on writing formal emails, one of the most practically useful skills in professional English. A well-written formal email conveys competence, respect, and clarity. The structure follows a clear pattern: a salutation, an opening line stating your purpose, the body, and a professional sign-off. The salutation, or greeting, depends on whether you know the recipient's name. If you know it, Dear Mr. Johnson, or Dear Dr. Patel. Note, use Mr., Mrs., MS, or Doctor, not the first name in a formal context. If you don't know the name, Dear Sir or Madam, or if writing to an organization to whom it may concern, the opening line should state your purpose immediately. Common formal openers include, I am writing to inquire about, or I am writing with reference to, or I am writing to follow up on our conversation of the 15th. Notice, in formal English, write I am, not I'm. Avoid contractions in formal writing. In the body, keep each paragraph focused on one idea. Use polite, measured language. Instead of, I need this urgently, write, I would be grateful if you could respond at your earliest convenience. Instead of, sorry for the delay, write, I apologize for any inconvenience caused by the delay in responding. Attachments and references are introduced formally. Please find attached the report you requested, or I have enclosed the relevant documents for your reference, or with reference to your email of the 12th of June, I would like to clarify. The sign-off also follows convention. If you use the recipient's name in the salutation, yours sincerely. If you didn't know their name, yours faithfully. Less formal but still professional, kind regards or best regards. Today we covered salutations, clear openings, formal body language, and sign-offs. Formal email writing is a skill that opens professional doors. See you next time.